guys, it's our last day here in Sapporo, last full day, and today is snowing. It's our first snowfall experience. Hello guys, may bangga. Hindi bangga, nabangga niya yung poste. Madulas. Madulas siguro yung road. Kaya the car hit the post. Ayun. The driver is on the left.
Oh, the driver is okay.
Ayan. Iba ang lamig ngayon guys. This is the first time na I think it's -8 today. It's super cold. Right, Raquel? It's super cold.
Yeah.
But at least we got to experience the snowfall. Snowfall. Snowing. Yay, snow. It's snowing. Pero medyo hindi mas madalas ngayon kasi fresh snowfall. It's snowing. Ganda ng river nila, guys. Malinis. Pero hindi nag-frozen ang river, ang kanal. Guys, today we're going to the Mitsui Outlet Park. Sapporo Mitsui Outlet Park. So, we're going to Sapporo Station.
Snowing.
And it's snowing on the way.
It's so soft.
Our first snowfall experience. Buti na lang na-experience natin snowfall.
Ria, stop playing.
Ay!
Mababasa na yung gloves mo. Wala ka nang
Oo.
winter.
Tara na. Let's go. So guys, going to Mitsui Outlet from Nakajima Koen Station. We're going to Odori.
Two
stops to Odori Station.
And
then
to walk 3 minutes or wait up for 3 minutes to the Odori Station in the Tozai line and ride 8 stops to the Oyachi
Ayan, alam nila
Station
iya.
and ride 21 stops,
21 stops, guys.
which is 29 minutes.
Because we're going to take the train. So,
And then the bus.
and then the bus.
And then the train. Everything
So,
is
from
like
saan tayo
58
magsasakay ng
minutes.
bus?
Oh, there's none. We just walk.
Hindi, may bus. 21 stops na yung bus yun. Yan yung play sa bus.
21 stops yung bus? 21st stop?
21 stops tayo.
Oh, sa train. Tapos by bus.
Tingnan mo.
21 stops yung
Oh,
bus?
the first train, then bus.
Ah,
Walk to the bus.
okay. So we're going to Shin Sapporo Station. We're going down. Wala na namang elevator. So dito na lang kami sa escalator. Ganda, no? Guys, from Odori Station, we're going to Oyachi Station. It will take us 8 stops. So, medyo mahaba ang biyahe natin today. Siguro dadating tayo doon 11 o'clock na. It's 10 now.
Lunchtime na pagdating niya.
It's now 10 o'clock.
The next station is Bangladesh Mall.
So guys, nandito na tayo sa Oyachi-machi Station. And then, we're going to transfer to, where are we going?
Bus.
To the bus. And
21
21 stops.
Nakalagay sa bus. Outlet. Mitsui outlet
So we need
bus.
to look for the Mitsui Outlet bus. So nandito na paglabas yung bus terminal. Let's burn calories. So we're going up here. Okay. Mag-burn daw kami ng calories. Kasi anyway, mahaba naman yung bus ride. Go, Raquel! Galing ni Raquel, oh! Oh, not enough! Kailangan kong mag-load. Guys, paglabas niyo ng terminal, ng Oyashi station, subway station, you will go look outside for the bus terminal. Number 4 for the Mitsui Outlet Park. Number 6 is the airport liner for the new Chitose Airport if you're going to the airport. So now we're going to Mitsui Outlet Park. And here's the map. So we turn straight. And then may stairs. And then paglabas, doon na yung bus terminal. Number 4. So ayan, may sign siya. For 1-2, bus terminal. And then may elevator. If you need to use elevator, meron din stairs and come, Nakal. And may escalator option. Okay, go. Left side. So guys, nandito na tayo sa bus. So before you go here, you can use to pay your Suica card. Ayan, ito yung bus. So dito upon entrance, may dyan maitatap dyan upon entrance. And then you're gonna have 21 stops up to the Mitsui Outlet. Hindi siya mukhang regular bus, it's a commuter bus. Ayan sila. Yung dalawa, and then si Raquel. Tabi kami ni Raquel. And then daddy's there in front kasi hawak niya yung stroller.
Bakit pinababa na tayo ng ano?
It's over there, we saw it.
Ah, you saw it?
Sobra na tayo?
So, dapat kanina tayo bumaba. So, nakababa na kami, guys. And, magpasyata kami. So, bumaba kami sa Omagari Station. Omagari stop pala. So, guys, after 3-minute walk, ito na siya. This is the Mitsui Outlet Park. Medyo mahaba lang yung lalakarin. Well, 3 minutes. Cross the street, straight. And then, ito na siya. Maraming bus nakapark. Medyo challenging lang maglakad. Kasi it's snowing and madulas. Madulas ang street. Nakuha mo? Yan, hindi niya mahanap yung gloves niya. Sobrang lamig. So, nandito na tayo guys sa Mitsui Outlet Park. It's an indoor outlet compared to yung mga outlet sa Tokyo, Gotemba, Tosu. This one is indoor. So, perfect for cold weather. Parang nag-mall ka lang. So, ito yung pagpasok sa outlet. There's Coach, Margaret Howell. There's the general information. You wanna go to Coach first? Riza?
Okay.
So me, I'm just gonna go inside. Cute up pang winter.
But we're not in New York.
Ang liit naman ito. So, I think, merong dito. Lego, Coach, UGG, I don't know, UG ba yun? Gusto ko ng parang gusto ko ng backpack. clearance. Saan? Ano, naka-sale. Super. You wanna check out the clearance? Ito, magkano ba to?
Died and respawned in Coach.
Magkano ba to? It's 55. Paano naging clearance to? 55,000.
Oh, was this like remade?
So it's
Out of
60
scrap?
plus 25. So 85. So parang
They
15%
reused.
na lang yung babayaran
They
mo.
reused the stuff.
Ganda ba to?
This keeps
Leather. Magkano siya? It's 12,000 lang. Pero yun na yata siya. Wala na siyang further sale. 12,000. Parang gusto ko ng backpack. Pang lalaki yata to eh. Ito parang masyadong pang formal. Pang trabaho. Pang lalaki. 60%. Hindi, pang lalaki yata yan eh. 60% off plus 25, 85%. Wala akong masyadong nagustuhan sa Coach. So let's check out the map. So dito may Marc Jacobs. Sige, tingnan mo muna yung map. Tingin lang ako sa Marc Jacobs. Second. Gutom na ba kayo? Gutom na kayo? Punta na ako Marc Jacob. Okay, let's look at Marc Jacobs. Cute ba to? Oh.
It's not her.
Sino yan?
Glinda.
Glinda sa ano? Ito pa oh. Wizard of Oz. Pero hindi naman ako fan ng Wizard of Oz. Cute ba? Hindi ako masyado fan ng Wizard of Oz eh. Ito, purple. Ito, 32,500. Maganda ba?
But I don't know.
It's may further discount pa ba siya? O no, masyadong thick.
Could have been thin.
Try mo nga. Tingnan ko. Be the model. Is it nice? Not so much. Ito buy 2 for an additional 10, buy 3 for an additional 20. Pero mga maliliit-liit. Mga cute to yellow. Ito. Ay, nakakabit sa kilikili niya. Hindi natin makita. Ito cute din to. Neon. Ito, mga maganda to.
How do you wash this? I'm very jet.
Parang cute to rin, no? Tingnan natin magkano. It's 70. 64 na lang. Ito siya. 64? 30,000 pa yun. Kung yung 32,500. Ito maganda din. cute. Ito parang type ko siya. 32.5. Tinan ko lang. So guys, ang food court nasa second floor. Later. There's takoyaki. So alika, akit muna tayo. Alika, magle-lego daw muna si Ahya. And then we're gonna eat. Come on. Come on, Rax. Parang gusto ko to. Ba't gusto mo na kumain? Ito, masarap to. You wanna eat na? Ha? Ay, may mga tinda-tinda sila, mga dessert. Sige. Sige, go. Kuha tayo. Kuha mo rin ako free sample. Dali. Let's try it. Ito. Green. Ito siya. Ito. Ito parang gusto ko rin ito tikman.
Yeah, you bought? All free?
Punta tayo ng Lego. Bilabong. It's kinda makapal na parang chewy na.
Yeah, there's nothing inside.
Kids brought the passport, Lego passports. They bring it everywhere. You can ask for a Lego passport and then all the Lego stores that you go to, tatatakan nila. In LA, in Paris, in Hong Kong, in Tokyo. Ayan, so far, marami na silang na-collect. You can stamp it. Ay, arigato gozaimasu. Ano, magpuput kayo together? Are you going to put together? It's 2,000. Magkano to? 1,980. You'll make three na character. Character ba tawag dyan? Figure, minifigure. 3 minifigures. You can choose your own hair, the legs, the head, and 1 accessory. It's 1,980. Naku, matagal to eh. Akala ko gusto nyo nang kumain. Mamaya na lang, balik na lang tayo. Balik na lang tayo. May napili na ba kayo? Ito cute oh, 19,000. Jurassic. Ano ba hinahanap mo? Ito, 35,000. Mario. Ano yan? Bakit gusto mo na naman bigla ng Minecraft? Kapangit. Di ba parang loose siya na... What's a bigger one? Bakit biglang nagustuhan mo yung Minecraft? Are you playing Minecraft? $8,000 from 170. Actually, hindi ako nagagandahan. Ito mas maganda ang mga Star Wars, guys. Compared sa Minecraft. Yung Minecraft parang walang sense. Ito 12. Ito 10. It's 17. Ito 11. Mga maliliit. Ano ba to? Mga maliliit-liit. Hindi niya type. Mas gusto niya yung Minecraft. Ano? Pili na. Minecraft? Ay. Ito mas malaki. Ito mas maliit. Wala siguro. So, ito yung food court nila, guys. May little donuts and crepes. May Ginda ko. Ito, pila ka na. Oo. Bigyan kita pera. Hungry Bear.
I want to give the pera, Mama.
O, hanap muna tayo upuan, no? Okay. Hanap muna tayo upuan. Marami namang upuan eh. Kasi today is a Monday, so may work day pa today. Oh, meron pang kids table. Tingnan natin. Usually sa mga food court nila, meron mga kids table. Ito, kids table. Ay na. So guys, nag-lunch muna kami. Si Daddy nag-order ng, ano yan Daddy? Beef. Kami ni Rhea. Takoyaki lang. Beef tang pala yan. Tapos may itlog na raw. Mainit. Mainit. Tapos si Aiza, noodle. And Raquel, chicken. So nakabili na si Rizzo, Minecraft. Maganda ba yan, yeah? So may Nicole, New Balance. Saan na ba yung titingnan ko? Under Armour. Oh, bakit parang nawala? Wala, ayoko na New Balance. So yung mga babae, nandun sa ano. Daddy, nandun sila. Ha? Titingin ako dito. So, Dolly's pink coffee and tea, which I'm not a fan of. My ano yun? So, nandun sa kabila, Crocs, Samsonite, Abercrombie. So, Maple Mall. Magkaiba pa to? O kailangan natin tumawid? Diretso. Halika, puntahan muna natin sila. Let's go to them first. So guys, from the outlet, there is a bus stop. There is a route going to Sapporo Station, to Oyachi Subway Station. So going to Sapporo Station is 380 yen. So you can pay through your Suica, using your Suica. So by by time. So we're just waiting for the 3 o'clock bus. It's up to 6 o'clock. Last bus is 6 o'clock. The terminal is just outside the entrance sa Mitsui Mall. Ayan yung entrance. Nasa may left side siya, facing the street. So madali lang puntahan actually. No need to get a private car. Bale, the Mitsui Outlet Mall is 2 buildings. This side and the other is in the other side. May connecting siya, may walkway siya from the inside sa second floor if you wanna go to the other building. Pero hindi na kami nag-ikot sa other building. Wala kami masyadong nakita. Maliit lang siya actually. Limited lang din yung mga ano. Maganda lang kasi meron siyang meron siyang sariling food park. So you can eat here. So the mall opens at 10:30 and closes at 9 o'clock at night. But the last bus is up to 6. So there is a bus per hour up to 6 o'clock. From 12, no? From 12 noon. So our bus is here. Go, Raquel. Diyan, sa likod. We're going back to the park. So guys, nasa bus na. Nasa bus na kami. Going to Sapporo. The bus arrived exactly 3 o'clock. Yan, on the way. Tumigil na yung snow. And lumabas na rin yung sun. Medyo umaraw na today. Fresh snowfall. So guys, punta naman tayo sa Ramen Alley to try it. So from the Mega Donkey in Sapporo, it's a 5-minute walk.
No,
10-minute walk. Dito sa Sapporo, clear yung path. Walang ice. Pero sa mga side street, mahirap maglakad. Kasi frozen yung daan. Dito sa main road, they cleared the path. So, mas madali maglakad. So, we're walking now, going to Ramen Alley. So, tingnan natin kung meron pa dito sa baba. Kung wala, yun na lang. Nga sa pinakadulo. Meron pa. Pero titingnan muna namin Huwag ka muna bumaba. Parang, close pa. Close pa dito. Close pa din.
Reservations only.
Ito parang dessert place. Okay na yun, doon na tayo sa taas.
Yeah.
It's like a creepy hallway. Maliit lang pala yung Ramen Street. Yun na, wala na. Sige, ito na lang.
Yeah, okay.
So guys, dito ang napili namin dito sa Ramen Alley. So when you order, you go there to the vending machine. Dun sa entrance. Medyo naka-Japanese characters yung iba. So nag-Google Translate na lang kami. So upon payment, ibibigay sa kanila yung yung bayad. So ito yung mga menu. They have char siu, ramen, corn ramen, gyoza, and then they also have children's ramen.
Daddy, next day, you give me
Wala pa.
Yay, to see me someday, you give it to someone special. Huh? Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun this would I did! Oh, I was so sleigh. Hey! Last Christmas, you give me my heart, but the very next day, you give me the way. This Sunday, to see me someday, you give it to someone special. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun this to ride in a open sleigh. Hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun this to ride in a open sleigh.
Yeah, on our way to the hotel, guys. It's our last night in Sapporo. May bagong bagong snowfall. So, malambot pa yung snow. Ayan. It's like powdery snow. Maganda, sarap hawakan, no? It's powdery. Kel. Wait, stop. There's a car. Ay, okay. Okay. Kanta pa. Kanta ka pa.
Last Christmas, you give me my heart, but the very next day, you give it away. This year, to see me someday, you give it to someone special. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun this tonight, you always know it's like, hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun this tonight, you always know it's like, hey. Last Christmas, you give me my heart, but the very next day, you give it away. This year, to share it from there, you give it to someone special. Last Christmas, you give me my heart, but the very next day, you give it away. This year, to see me sometime, you give it to someone special.